Access granted. Welcome to the Giti Tire Testing Labs. Initiating road hazard test.
Even on the smoothest roads, sharp objects, debris, and potholes can weaken a tire, negatively impacting performance even at acceptable speeds. To avoid dangerous accidents after encountering a road hazard, drivers should check their tires for damage. Regular checks by trusted technicians can also help to identify tire damage and replace tires before tire failure.
Initiating tire installation test.
Improper tire installation can lead to misaligned wheels, which can lead to excessive wear and even tire failure. Regularly visiting a trusted technician to ensure correct tire installation and avoiding road hazards keeps you safer and extends the lifespan of your tires.
Simulation complete.